Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for being here today. These are my colours. We'll start with this one. It's TLP Mermaid. This is TLP Persephone. This is Tri-Art Warm White. This is Tri-Art Liquid. This one is, I have forgotten. I think it's magenta and red violet. I will double check and put it in the description box. This one is Diox Purple and Red Violet. Again, I can't remember the brand, so I will put it in the description box. I've got them written on the lids, but I've got the lids somewhere where I can't reach them at this moment. This one is Atelier. No, it's not. It's Pebeo Turquoise. Not iridescent, just a normal turquoise. And this one is Golden Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. Oh, that was a big lump. I've not used this for ages. Cell Activators Atelier Copper, Australian Floetrol, and this is a mixture of Pebeo Pebeo Payne's Grey. Let me just, I've got the lid here, I can look at that one. Right, what have we got? Amsterdam and Pebeo Payne's Grey. With Australian Floetrol. Nothing else added. And I'm doing one of Shelley's, well, I'm trying to do one of Shelley's Pleated Blooms. Pleated Transfer Blooms, but I'm doing a swipe. I did one of these before I started my channel, when Shelley did them way back, oh gosh, 3 years ago maybe. That's the first time Shelley did them. I did one then. I think I did a couple. Actually, I think I did a couple right at the very start of my YouTube journey. Not very good ones, but the one that I did before I started YouTube was quite nice. If I can find a picture, I will put it in for you to see after I've finished this intro. So I'm going to do it on this heart. Oh, this is just from, oh gosh, from when I first started. Not very nice, so I'll be painting over that. And I'm going to use this that I found, which I used to use way back then as well, and I don't think I can get all this gunk off because it's been on for so long. So I'm going to use that to scoop it up. I'm going to put my colours down on this, scoop it up with this, transfer it onto my heart. So that's what we're trying to do, so let's get messy.
Get me every time, a phone call away, and you're ready to be mine. We twist the truth to justify, but baby, two wrongs doesn't make it right. I'll be yours till the morning light, right here in the moment we're breathing life. mistake playing on repeat. Baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours till the morning light. Right here in the moment, we're breathing life. Both of us lost in this ugly lie. Right here, all that matters is you and I. So darling, hold on and let's save this night. Let's save this night. Let's save this night. Favorite mistake playing on repeat. Baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours till the morning light.
list everything I've used in my description box as always, with the links to where you can get them from if I know them, if I know the links. And thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe if you haven't already, and then you'll know when I publish a new video. And please share. And as always, ask in the comments section if you need to know anything, and I'll reply when I can. So thank you for watching, thank you for being here with me, and everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll let you finish watching the end with a little bit more music. See you next time, and happy Valentine's Day everybody. Bye.